Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. I will share with you how to find your intesa sanpaolo iban. If you want to find your iban, follow me on this video steps. First friends, the first method, you can open your app and you can look for your accounts and then click the three line here and then you will get your iban. The second method, you can use Wise. This is a Wise URL. So you can through this website find your IBAN. All you have to do, write your national check digit, write your bank codes, write your branch code, write your bank account number. All these details you can get from your intesa sanpaolo. For example, intesa sanpaolo bank number, for example, bank number. You can extract and get your bank number from your dashboard in your accounts. Just copy this account details here and paste from here, such branch code, bank account number, and then all details here, and then you will see your IBAN. Just click calculate your IBAN. This is how you can do it. Is easy steps. Select your country here, Italy, and then you will see your IBAN looks like this one. For example, this is for example IBAN of Italy countries. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon.